Good morning children. Today we will be looking into the IT inventors and keyboard magic. The last two lessons. These lessons will be included for your third term. Okay. So the first thing or the first IT inventor here is for logo. Okay. The logo means what? Any symbol to represent a company or a brand. Okay. So that was introduced by Professor Seymour Papert. Seymour Papert. Okay. Then you have this compact disc. Compact disc, you know, CD, which we call CD. Almost we are using the next form of CD, which is called DVD. Is it not? Digital video disc. So earlier the CD was invented by James T. Russell. James T. Russell in 1965. Okay. But then it was made popular by Philips in 1980. Okay. So the next one is Xerox. What is this Xerox? You know, Xerox means you are going to take a copy. Okay. So the proper name for that is photocopy. Okay. But the name of the machine which is doing that is called a Xerox. Since then we have calling this photocopy itself as Xerox. Okay. So that machine, that dry printing machine was found by Mr. Chester Carlson in 1938. Okay. And that was the foundation for all the laser printers. The laser printers which we are using along with our computer. Okay. Then coming to the Intel is the most important or the most popular microprocessor which we are all using for all types of our computer. Okay. So who are the inventors or who are the founders? Founders means that's a company. So Bob Noyce and Gordon Moore. Bob Noyce and Gordon Moore are the founders of Intel. Okay. This is a company which is still producing Intel processors. Okay. Now coming to the next one. What is that? It is also a company. What is that? HP. HP is still now a software company both as well as hardware company. Okay. So Hewlett Packard. You have to check the pronunciation as well as the spelling. Hewlett. Hewlett. Hewlett Packard is a well-known printer company. So first it started as a printer company only. Okay. So it's a printer company which was started by Mr. William Hewlett and Mr. David Packard. So that is why it is called HP. That is, they have taken the second name of the two persons. That is Mr. William Hewlett and from Mr. David Packard. They have taken their surnames and they have put that together as a company name. Okay. So they started it Mr. William Hewlett's garage. You know, garage means the place where you park the cars or the vehicles. Okay. So that place only they started with a capital investment of only $538. Okay. Next, who invented the keyboard layout? Keyboard layout was first invented by Sir Christopher Latham Sholes. Sir Christopher Latham Sholes was the inventor for the keyboard layout. Layout means the proper alignment. Okay, we are now using the same layout used in the typewriter. Okay, so typewriter is a machine which you will be seeing still. So in that machine, how the keys are all laid. That is how we are taking the that is the base for our keyboard also, computer keyboard also. Okay. Then Jerry Yang and David Filo. Jerry Yang and David Filo are the founders of our Yahoo. Yahoo was the very famous before Google. Okay. Now whatever we want, you search it in Google. Likewise, earlier days, whatever we want, you can ask Yahoo. Okay. Next, who was the first computer programmer? Lady Ada Lovelace. Lady Ada Lovelace. And who first invented the portable handset? Portable handset means portable, which can be carried anywhere. Handset means a phone which can be kept inside our hand. So it was first founded by Dr. Martin Cooper. Martin Cooper was with Motorola. Motorola, you know this Motorola is the first company to introduce the flip phones. Flip phones means the phones which can be open and be closed. Okay. So the Moto Razr, Moto Blaze, all that comes from the company Motorola. So this Motorola was having this person, that is Dr. Martin Cooper, as a general manager. There he found out this portable handset. Okay. Now we are going to all the keyboard shortcuts. Okay. This will be also included in this term, though we have already included this in the first term. This should be very, very important for you to carry it to the higher standards. Okay. So first one, the common keys of our MS Office. What is this MS Office? Microsoft Office. What are all the common keys we are going to use? First one is Ctrl+N, that is to open a new document. Ctrl+O is to open a document. So N means new document, O means you can open an already existing document which will be saved in any drives or on the desktop. Okay. Then Ctrl+W will be to close the document. So once you open, you can close. Then Ctrl+S, that is a very, very important command, which is mainly to save the document. Then Ctrl+F to find a text. In a given document, you have to find some text. Ctrl+H, that is to replace a text. Replace means you want to change. Okay, say I want to change F to H, or I want to change L to M, something like that. So if you want to replace, you can find the text and you can replace. Then coming to Ctrl+G. Ctrl+G is to go to a page. Ctrl+Z, undo the last action. Ctrl+Y is to redo repeat the last action. Okay. So Ctrl+Z and Ctrl+Y are pairs. Pairs means which are opposite to each other. So Z means, Ctrl+Z means you have to undo the last action, whereas Ctrl+Y means you have to redo the last action. Ctrl+P is to print a document. Ctrl+E is to align the paragraph in center. Then Ctrl+J is to justify. Ctrl+L and Ctrl+R, they are for left alignment and the right alignment. Okay. Now coming to Ctrl+Home. Ctrl+Home means will move to the first page. Then Ctrl+N will move to the last page. Then page up and page down, they will be going one screen up and one screen down. Ctrl+X to cut. Ctrl+C to copy. Ctrl+V is to paste. So this is cut, copy, paste. Okay, cut, copy, paste. X, C, V. Then Ctrl+A is to select the entire document. Then Ctrl+I is for italic font and Ctrl+U is for underlining. Ctrl+B is for bold. So these three are together. Italics means it will be in that slanting form. Okay. U means for underline and B for bold. Then Ctrl+F4 is also closing the application. Application here means the total MS Office will be closed. Then escape is to come out of the layout preview or to cancel the print. Then F12 is to open the save as dialog box. Ctrl+S is simple save. Whereas if you press F12, you will have that save as dialog box. You can save with the new document. Okay. Coming to the Excel shortcuts. Okay, that was for MS Office. Now these are all for the Excel shortcuts. Ctrl+ sign to insert a new row. And if it is control and the minus sign, then it will be the deleting the row. Okay. Then Shift+F11 to insert a new worksheet. Then control plus apostrophe is to copy the formula from the above cell. Control plus shift plus double quotes or the quotation mark. What will happen? It will copy the value also. The previous one, that is control plus apostrophe, will copy only the formula, whereas control plus shift plus quotes will copy also the value. Control plus semicolon is for entering the date. Okay, again F2 is to edit the cell contents, F4 to repeat the commands, then Alt plus equal to, what is this? Alt plus equal to, what is happening? To get the total of the adjacent cells. F11 to insert a chart, Control plus X to move, that is you are going to cut only. Control plus X means always cut, then you can move and paste it. You can use again your Control plus V to paste. Okay, Control plus colon is for time. So most of the shortcut keys in MS Excel are using control. So if the control plus semicolon, it is for date. Okay, if it is control plus our colon, it is for time. So these two are pairs. Okay, and then F2, F4, F11. F2 to edit the cell contents, F4 to repeat, F11 to insert a chart. Okay, then this control plus and control plus minus signs, that is all for inserting and deleting the rows. Okay, if you remember this much, this will be fine. Okay, so go through these two chapters, because your 1 mark will be based on these two chapters also. Okay, thank you.